I think the universe is shrinking. It's really, really weird. Why? Because I'm starting to re-experience events. Things are going backward. Nonsense, it's your dyslexia. Not this time. Besides, everyone knows the universe is expanding. Probably to infinity. Whatever, I know what I know. What I know. No, what? 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 See, it's happening to you. See? See? Happening. It's to you happening. See? Here I go. See? See? Here I go. I go shrinking is the universe. I think. Hi, whoa, mom. Hi, mom. Whoops.
Ich hab gemeint, dass ich hab gekocht auf Kugel. Aber wo ist es?